Hello, today I will tell you about two important issues, each more important than the other. I hope this information will enlighten you and enable us to look at the future more carefully. Now I wish you have fun. The year 2024 has been marked as a historic turning point in the fight against climate change. Young climate activists, including leaders like Greta Thunberg, have made a significant impact globally, urging Americans to raise awareness and take action against the climate crisis. These young activists utilized various methods to emphasize the seriousness of climate change. The Fridays for Future movement, initiated by Greta Thunberg, encouraged millions of young people worldwide to take to the streets and participate in climate actions. These strikes pushed policymakers and governments to take further action on climate change. Young activists organized awareness campaigns on social media, at conferences, and in schools to educate the public on climate change, greenhouse gases, and sustainable energy. Moreover, young leaders contributed to the development of climate change policies by directly engaging with policymakers. They sought to raise awareness about climate change by meeting with members of Congress and local officials. These young activists collaborated with youth leaders worldwide to create a global movement on climate change, bringing together young people from many countries for common goals. Media and art played a significant role in this movement. Young leaders made an impact in areas such as art, music, and film, reaching a broader audience by using artistic expressions to convey the issue of climate change. The efforts of these young activists have increased awareness about climate change and placed greater responsibility on policymakers. The American public has started to respond to the call of these young leaders by taking action against the climate crisis. However, this fight continues, and more action is needed. The role of youth in combating climate change holds promise for a sustainable future world. Globe showing Europe-Africa seedling. Yes, now I am moving on to our second topic, which is a very important topic. 2024 is considered a milestone year for space exploration and technological advancements in America. Discoveries on Mars, space tourism, and missions aimed at illuminating the mysteries of the moon are exciting the American public. Here are some of these remarkable developments. NASA's Artemis program is reigniting interest in the moon and aiming to send astronauts back to the lunar surface. The Artemis I mission was successfully completed with the Orion spacecraft orbiting the moon and then landing in the Pacific Ocean. Now, the focus is on the Artemis II mission. Astronauts will return to Earth without landing on the moon. This 10-day journey covering 10,300 kilometers to the moon is scheduled for November 2024. If plans proceed as intended, humans will examine the moon's south pole for the first time. Additionally, NASA's Viper project aims to explore water ice and other resources on the lunar surface. This project is set to land on the moon later this year. Under the Commercial Lunar Payload Services (CLPS) program, NASA will send 4 vehicles to the moon in 2024 to investigate its resources. This program encompasses both crewed and robotic exploration. Japan's SLIM mission aims to test precise landing technologies on the moon's surface. The X-ray imaging and spectroscopy mission, XRISM, initiated to examine the moon's structure, will continue in 2024. 2024 marks the beginning of a new era for America's space exploration and technological advancements. Shedding light on the moon's unknowns will be a significant step forward for the future of humanity. These advancements in space exploration promise an exciting year filled with scientific and technological discoveries. I hope what I told you was interesting and useful. I ask you to subscribe and press the like button so that more people can see this information. See you in the next video. Have a good day.